Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna create this fresh, glowy, summer and monsoon friendly look with only drugstore products. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off, I'm using my favorite sunblock, that is from Neutrogena, and massaging on my face. And after that, I'm sticking to my favorite L'Oreal True Match BB cream because it's going to be light for the summer and monsoon. So I'm putting it all over my face with my finger and massaging with my hands. I know it's looking a little too white right now, but it's going to be all fine with time because it's going to oxidize. After that, I'm doing my brows, so I have done it off camera, and I've used my Maybelline brow pencil, which I'm gonna leave in the link in the description box down below. All the products will be there. And then I'm using my Master Strobing cream from Maybelline again. It's a highlighter, and I'm using on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, my nose, the tip of my nose, the lower chin and forehead. And after that, going to my all-time favorite mascara, that is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes at first and then apply that mascara all over my eyelashes. It's waterproof, so it's absolutely monsoon and summer friendly. Then I'm going to my palette, which is the Maybelline Lemon Crease palette, and I'm using that pink shade all over my crease and blending it with an eyeshadow blending brush. And then going to that shimmery color from that same palette and applying it on my eyelids, right on top of my eyelids. Then again, I'm taking that same pink color and applying it on the lower eyelids so that it completes the whole eye look and make my eyes look nice and colorful. And then completing my eye look with this skin color pencil from PAC, the brand PAC. I'm going to leave the name of all of these in the description box down below. Finishing off my eye look, eye makeup with the mascara on my lower eyelashes. And then going to my favorite lipstick again from Maybelline, which is their Lip Gradation Lip Crayon in the shade Fuchsia 1. So it's a nice fuchsia color which is going to look perfect during the summer and monsoon, according to me. And then I realized I have forgotten something, so that is blush. Yes, I have forgotten blush, and I'm going to apply it right on my cheeks with this brush. This blush is from the brand Wet n Wild. And that completes the whole look, this summer and monsoon friendly look. So if you've liked what I created in this video, this look, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Spread the word, and I hope you all had a lovely day. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.